Hi, it's Jen from AntiqueStoves.com, and today we're going to talk about how to prep a new Kitchen Queen stove for use. All new Kitchen Queen stoves come with a piece of tape across the top to hold down the lids during shipment, and a rust inhibitor that should be removed prior to use. First, you need to remove the piece of tape from the top of the stove. The best product to remove the rust inhibitor from the top of the stove is just standard mineral spirits. First, you're going to apply mineral spirits to a dry paper towel. And you're going to want to make sure that you get the glue from the tape off of the top and the edges. Make sure that you clean the surface in a circular motion and get all the way to the edges, all the way around the stove. You may have to go over the surface a few times to remove all of that rust inhibitor. Once you've removed all of the rust inhibitor, it's a good idea to make sure you get a clean towel and go over the surface to remove all of the mineral spirits that you used to get off the stove. And then after you get that done, you're ready to install the towel bars onto the stove.